Hi! Today we're going to be making no-waste tick tubes. First we're going to take 2 bowls, fill one with water and place another inside to make a makeshift double boiler that's microwave safe. The bowls have to be glass. Next we're just going to fill it with some beeswax pellets and heat them up until they're melted. Do it a little slowly though because they are flammable. Don't worry, her hands aren't in any danger. I'm just wearing the gloves because I know what the next step is and she's not a part of that one. We're also going to be saturating laundry lint that I've been collecting. There is no shortage of that in our home. This is best done outside and with gloves on. I'll be hiding these in fairly dry places for mice to find. The beeswax helps to keep them fairly waterproof, but I'll be putting them under the house and in our sheds. But why do tick tubes really matter? Because this is where we live. And because some of our most precious treasures are our children and our health. Ticks carry a whole lot more than just Lyme disease, and once you or your children have experienced that, it's really hard to go back out into all of this beauty and appreciate it for what it is. Controversial though he may be, I'm a huge fan of RFK Jr., and at a recent tick disease roundtable, he said we've got to figure out a way to make it safe for children to go back in the woods again. My husband and I believe strongly in the importance of a connection to the physical world. We've even daydreamed the possibility of opening a forest school someday. We have a sacred responsibility to the stewardships entrusted to us. That includes both our children and the land around us. As we teach our children, it's important to live smart, not scared, and to enjoy the beauty and goodness that surround us every single day. Stand strong, friends. God is with you.